That has definitely been causing her... Oh, it's a stick. It's actually a twig. Do we have cleaner feet? Hi, so today we are just setting up behind me, filling a foot bathing trough with water. We're going to bring the ewes down from the field. We're going to walk them through the trough, and the idea being that it's pretty muddy. We've had a lot of rain. There's a lot of mud around the feeders, and a few of the ewes have got a build-up of mud or grass both between their hooves, and it causes them to be lame basically. So we're just going to look at the lame ones today as well, and try and pick out any of these bits of grass that have got stuck between the feet, and we'll probably perhaps just run them through a formal foot bath to finish. I think that's the plan for today. It has been pretty miserable the past hour or so, but it is actually brightening up, so hopefully we'll get the ewes in the dry, and hopefully it won't take too long. Come on! Come on! Nick's job is to come up the back and count how many he thinks have got problems that we need to look out for. I thought there'd be about 4 or 5 maybe. Sun's coming out. So we're down, we're mostly dry. Sheep look okay, they seem to be in quite good spirits, a lot of leaping around, which is a good sign. It has been quite horrible weather really. How many lame do you think then, Nick?
How many lame? Well, there were 2 that were really bad, and then maybe some that were masking it.
We have found that the more you get the sheep used to being footbath, the easier and faster it becomes. We did have a time or two where we'd been infrequent and it did cause us a few problems. So now that we have done it more regularly, it does go a lot more smoothly. And then it's just the younger ewes, like nibbles, that cause a bit of a fuss. So in theory, it should have sort of washed the feet out, and we'll just look for any now in the yard that are lame or have got anything obvious sticking out, like this one here. She's a bit lame.
I think we can get them into the shed, then
She's lame. Can we get a mark on her?
that's all without the dark.
Let's get a mark on her then. She's lame. Do we have cleaner feet? They're much cleaner. So the water bath has done a good job of washing the feet through, and now I think we're going to run them through the shed again, try and get a mark on those that we want to put in the pen and give some attention to. Then I think there'll be one last time, we'll run them through formal. Are we coming back in the shed then, yeah?
Yeah.
Hoof care has been something that we have really tried to pay attention to over the last couple of years, particularly the last 18 months, I would say. we know that when we've got lame ewes, they sort of will tend to drop off in their condition sometimes, especially in the winter when they need to get around the feeder, spend more time lying down, less likely to compete for food. So it's important that they are good on their feet.
So just shout if you see any blue bubbles. Or any that look lame on the way.
Yeah. You silly girl. So these two here are lame, so they're going to go in the pen. So Rosie is, that has definitely been causing her, oh, it's a stick. It's actually a twig. So that will have been uncomfortable. So she'll feel better for that. And then also she's got this long toe here. This is just a formalin solution foot bath, and I like to try and think of it as more of a disinfectant, whereas in the summertime we use the golden hoof foot bath, which is a stand-in soaking one, and that is more of a promoting healthy feet, and this is more of a preventing of cross-contamination and spreading infection. And it is quite a harsh chemical, we don't use it often, but just a quick walk through, and I think it does the job, and then we use it afterwards to wash the shed down. So they're going through pretty well now, just a few of them need a little helping hand. And then once that's done, we'll just stand them on the yard for maybe 20 minutes before we walk them back up to the field where they'll get all muddy again. But hopefully it's been a worthwhile use of a Sunday afternoon. Certainly good to look at them over, look at the condition of them, look at the health in general and spot any potential problems. On the whole, they seem quite good. And then not long from scanning now, we'll just be waiting for that, hopefully the end of this month. Just got to keep the ewes well fed. And then scanning and copper bolus sort of towards the end of January.
We've seen what can happen if infection gets on top of you.
With cod?
With card, and yeah, just make sure we catch any lame as soon as we can, to make sure nothing spreads through the flock. And
it gives us the opportunity to give the shed a good clean and disinfect out as well, which is also good for your, I don't know what the word is, cleanliness and hygiene. And then we finish by giving everything a good sweep down. Nearly finished. So they can go back up to the bales, back up to the mud, unfortunately. So they can go back up now, back up to where they were from. Hopefully a little bit bit better than where we left off. So thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to reading your comments, and see you next time. Bye.